Solaxy is selling a dream. BlockchainFX is already paying users daily. Here's why BFX leaves Solaxy in dust. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Here are 5 reasons why BFX, BlockchainFX, is way better than Solaxy. BlockchainFX is already live. On the other hand, Solaxy is just talk. BlockchainFX is already live with real users and real trading volume that you can see live on chain. Now, Solaxy has no working product. It's just fluff, just big promises and flashy marketing. Number 2, BFX pays you daily. Solaxy pays you nothing. With holding BFX earns you USDT every single day from real platform revenue. Here is how it works with BFX. Users trade on BlockchainFX platform decentralized. And out of that trading volume revenue, 30% goes as company's revenue and 70% as BFX community pool. And out of that 70%, 20% goes for buyback and burn, and the other 50% goes for staking rewards in USDT and the BFX token. That way, you can earn daily revenue compared to Solaxy that doesn't pay anything. There is no income, no rewards, no live platform. It's just a meme coin. Number 3, BFX is revolutionizing crypto. Solaxy is just riding the Solana's name. BlockchainFX is building the first crypto super app that connects blockchain with global finance. Solaxy is just trying to get the attention by copying the Solana's name, but there's a zero connection, by the way, between the two of them. Number 4, BFX is audited and trusted. Solaxy got flagged already. BFX is audited from CoinSalt, Cerdic, and SolidProof. On the other hand, Solaxy has been flagged by MetaMask and marked as a suspicious project. BFX is fully audited, proven to be 100% safe and trusted. Last but not least, BFX Team is verified. You know who is behind the project. Solaxy's team is a mystery and they can disappear and rug pull the project whenever they desire. The BFX team has completed full KYC with solid proof. Solaxy hasn't shown who's behind the project. No names, no KYC, no credibility. And they claim to be building a layer 2 blockchain. Something shady is going on. And let me also show you inside BlockchainFX how it works, how simple it is. On the left side, you can see your total portfolio, trading history, chat, market analysis, and video tutorials. By the way, with BlockchainFX, you can create your own demo account and test it while you're watching this video. Come to the website, scroll up, and you can create a demo account and test the platform before even adding money. Now, on the top side, you can trade any financial market and any asset you want. Options, forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, ETFs, indices, even create your own watch list from any financial market. It's a super app combining all the financial markets into one. And underneath, you will see your open trades and the net profit and loss, pending positions, and the options you have. And the way that it works is if I click a buy or sell higher or lower, set up the expiration date, the amount I want to risk, and the trade is active. For example, I click this with a 5 seconds expiration, and then if this closes above it, I win. Now this closed below, so I lost. And it's as simple as that, and you can trade any market you want. So BlockchainFX is created for both beginner traders and professionals. So if you want to join the first crypto trading super app, combining the traditional financial markets with blockchain technology, visit BlockchainFX.com and use the bonus code BFX30 for 30% more of your BFX coins that you will buy. And it's only available for a short period of time. Click the link down in the description and join the revolution today. Thank you so much for staying until the end. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button so you don't miss our next videos that will definitely help you in your cryptocurrencies journey. And if you still have questions, don't forget to comment them below and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.